you've heard this noise before. When opening the door and closing it on your old Benz, sounds pretty crunchy, doesn't it? And you know it's probably that check strap right there that's bad. And if you let it go, it can break and actually jam. You can't get your door closed. I've seen this happen on some old 123s. But let me tell you something. Don't be in a hurry to go order a new check strap, because I'm seeing a common problem occur. And it's not the check strap itself. Let's take a closer look. Here you can see there are two bolts that hold the frame of the check strap to the door. Watch what happens now as I open and close the door. Look closely. You see that bottom bolt? It's moving and it's snapping. There's no guarantee that tightening the bolt is going to solve the problem, but let's at least give it a try. Look how loose that is. Like I said, you'd be surprised how often I see this. Now, I'm sure some of you are saying, well, Kent, aren't you going to do something more than just tighten the bolts? Yes, I am. I'll explain that in a second. But let's first see if this solves the problem. Look at that. You don't get the snapping and clanking noise anymore. Now, this is the type of fixes I really like on these old Mercedes. Now, one thing I should mention here is I'm going to go ahead and remove one bolt at a time. I'm going to put blue thread locker on each one of these bolts and tighten them back down. Now, at least the bolts won't be making any noise anytime in the near future.